Welcome, I'm Christian, and you are watching Android Talks. This is the first episode in which I want to talk about the one and most important app that everybody should have installed on their mobile devices, may it be their phones or their tablets. The virus scanner, an antivirus scanner. I can't say it enough. Virus scanner is the must-have app to have. In my family and also in my circle of friends, a lot of people had problems in the past with viruses that destroyed their phone to the point where it had to be brought to a special technician that could install the operating system anew from scratch, from the original company, because even the backup version that is installed on every phone was infected, or the data was deleted, was lost, photos, videos, documents, memory cards got destroyed, they lost control over their touch screens, their cameras, their whatever function. So an antivirus is an absolute must to have, and that's why I have always one installed on my phone or on my tablet or on my laptop or on my PC, wherever I have an antivirus. And where do I get my information? I get my information since it exists from avtest.org. Not that I am in any way having any relationship with them, but they're from Germany, and people who know me know that I'm from Germany. They tested 20 different apps this May 2019, and all the ones that got a 6, which is the highest rating, are really good. I'm right now also using one of theirs that is being tested here with 6, Sophos. And why? Because it detects malware in real time, most of the time. In the last 4 weeks, everything that was installed, or that every page that you went to that they knew there was a virus on the page itself, was detected. Great. And yeah, that is one of the reasons why I have Sophos mobile security version 9.0 installed. And it's really easy to use. I don't have to mind it much because it works all the time. Where is it? I don't have to mind it. Yeah, I have the link on my home screen, but that's it. You install it. You go once to your settings. On the top left, you make sure that everything that needs to be checked is checked, and everything else that has a minus here doesn't work on my phone, so that's why it's not checked. And then you go here to the bottom to settings and set it up for once. Mine is set up for that it is scheduled every now and then, daily, when charging. And then it says here where it is scanning and what is being scanned. In this case, all my apps and also on my SD card. What are the other options? SD card or not SD card, I guess. And everything else, I don't know. Anyway, once it's installed, you should not think too much about it, and it should check everything that you're doing online or offline. If you are installing some app where you have shared the Android packaging file from a friend, like, I don't know, maybe they have the full version of PUBG and you shared it via Wi-Fi, and now you're installing it, but his phone was infected with a virus, and now you got the virus. That's what this is for. Yeah. This app will automatically check everything that you're installing before it can damage your phone, or if you're checking your email before you are opening an attachment, or if you are browsing the web, or when you're on Facebook, or when you're scanning a QR code. It will also check if the QR code is maybe linking to malware. Whenever, wherever, this app works in the background. You don't have to worry about it. It does everything for you that you need, and you're just safe. As long as it's installed and you update it regularly, nothing should happen to you. And that's why I want to recommend you Sophos or Bitdefender. I've tried that too. This one worked also very well for me, and I guess also the other apps here on avtest.org that I showed to you which had a rating of 6, like Norton, McAfee, Trend Micro, AVG, Avast, or ESET. I don't know about ESET, but everything else that I just said, and especially also Kaspersky, which who are very popular, just had some trouble with the US last or 2 years ago, where they said, please uninstall Kaspersky, they are spying on you. I think it was the FBI or the CIA that released that information. Anyway, you can never be sure, but if you want to be sure that it is a Western country that is spying from you, then you should maybe install Sophos, Trend Micro, McAfee, or Norton. And if not, then there is still a lot of other countries that you can have their antivirus from. Yeah, that should be it. But it is a must. Since I have installed an antivirus, nothing has happened to me. And that should be my recommendation for now. Thank you and bye.